While I was reading all the comments in one of my videos, this got my attention. From Indonesia, we send the best president, Philippine Duterte. Bring Mr. Duterte home. It's just so overwhelming to see people globally supporting our former president. To all the Indonesians out, to all the Indonesians out there, terima kasih. It's been like 8 days since this started, and Tatay Digong advised us na to move forward now. Parang hirap gawin, no? But yeah, as if we have other choice pa. Hindi naman talaga natin hawak ang law. To all Filipinos, kaya natin to. Let us continue to pray and pray and pray and pray. That's the least that we can do in this perilous time. Basta guys, huwag tayong mag-give up in praying. One day, and all will be alright in time. Basta po, ingatan niyo po yung mga sarili ninyo. Huwag niyo din po pabayaan yung mga kalusugan ninyo. Kasi may laban pa tayong harapin. May hamon pa. Marami pang hamon sa buhay. And all we need to stand strong in faith. God bless po sa lahat.